ED has filed a petition against IPAC, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, DGP of West Bengal, Kolkata Police Commissioner, DC South, Priyobrato Roy, as well as the CBI, which had initially filed an FIR based on West Bengal Police FIR. Now, also the Trinamool Congress has moved court and has filed a case against the Enforcement Directorate. That matter will be coming up for hearing at 2:30 p.m. before the single bench of Justice Shubhra Ghosh. Now, more importantly, the entire investigation right now under the ED has alleged that the Chief Minister of West Bengal yesterday forcibly entered when the investigation was ongoing at IPAC Director Prateek Jain's residence in Kolkata. In its petition, the ED has stated that during the course of investigation, documents were forcibly removed and taken possession of all digital devices as well as key incriminating documents from the possession of the Assistant Director of the Enforcement Directorate who was present at the search operation, and it has been also recorded in the Panchnama by the Enforcement Directorate in the seizure list that it has. Apart from that, it also states that at 11:15 DC South of Kolkata Police arrived at the residence of Prateek Jain, saying that they have received a complaint of trespassing into the house and they have come to check what has happened. The authorized person then from the Enforcement Directorate informed the police officer that there are searches being conducted in the coal pilferage scam by the Enforcement Directorate. Thereafter, at around 12:05, Manoj Verma, the Police Commissioner of Kolkata Police, arrived at the venue where the searches were being conducted. He was also duly informed and the ID cards of the ED officers were shown to him. Thereafter, Mamata Banerjee, the sitting Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, entered the premises despite making categorical requests for not interfering with the ongoing search proceedings under Prevention of Money Laundering Act. So these are the allegations that the ED has made in its petition against the Chief Minister of West Bengal. On the other hand, the Trinamool Congress has filed a case against the Enforcement Directorate at the Calcutta High Court, saying that political strategy, their campaign details, their SIR data, all has been taken by the ED in an attempt to derail the democratic and free electoral process that West Bengal is gearing up for. So essentially, the street fight has now shifted at the Calcutta High Court at 2:30 p.m. when the judge hears the matter. Both the sides will be putting in their arguments. On behalf of the ED Counsel, SV Raju will be representing the central agency, while Trinamool Congress MP and Advocate Kalyan Banerjee is representing the Trinamool Congress.
This also coincides with the time that the Chief Minister had announced that she'll be taken to the streets in Kolkata to protest against the attack by the ED in this IPAC case.
Well, that's right. High drama unfolded in West Bengal with ED searches in two places which are directly linked to IPAC and 6 other premises here in the city with regards to the alleged coal scam that it is investigating. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was seen taking out files from Prateek Jain, the director of IPAC's residence. Thereafter, she moved to the IPAC office. She addressed the media in both these locations, and thereafter she said that this fight is not over and she will not be taking these allegations lying low. So essentially, the political fight has erupted between the centre and the state over these, Enforcement Directorate raids that have taken place in the state ahead of the West Bengal elections, where the Trinamool Congress has directly levelled allegations against the Enforcement Directorate of stealing essential party documents from the IPAC office as well as Prateek Jain's residence. Remember, the IPAC has been engaged with the Trinamool Congress for over 6 years now and has been closely working with the government of West Bengal and preparing for the upcoming elections. Now, of course, this entire political row has erupted here in the state, and today Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will hit the street at 2 p.m. to raise her voice against not just the central government but also the Enforcement Directorate, along with her party functionaries, walking approximately 2 kilometers from her previous constituency of Jadavpur Lok Sabha, where she will be walking from 8B bus stop to Hajra More near her residence here in Kolkata.
Right. Well, Shirshi, all eyes on that hearing of the Calcutta High Court, and also Mamata Banerjee taking to the streets, protesting against the ED being used as a tool, as she's claiming, and also questioning the timing of all of this just before the elections.